Hi everybody! Have you ever heard of Random Acts of Kindness Day? This is a day to share your kindness with others. But what is a random act of kindness? A random act of kindness is something you do spontaneously to show you care. It doesn't have to be a big, exciting plan. It can be simple and in the moment. Acts of kindness that seem small can make a big difference in somebody's day. You could share a snack with a friend that you know they like. You could make sure a classmate feels included by asking them to play with you. You could even draw a picture for someone who you think might be having a tough day. A random act of kindness can change someone's day in the best way. And this holiday is a great place to start. Happy Random Acts of Kindness Day! To enjoy our library of over 300 classroom videos, please visit www.wondergrovesocialskills.com or scan the QR code.